Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali. I live in America for the last 40 years. I was having a big problem with my dental, so there were some teeth were missing and it was very painful. I decided to come to India for the treatment. I come to Bangalore, I went around and for the 3-4 dentists I met for the treatment plan. Then finally I ended up with Dr. Revati, and she gave me a wonderful, better plan than I got a wonderful bridge.
So you are happy with the root canals?
Root canals is a fantastic job she suggested me that I would have been very painful if they're not done. So she suggested that I should do the root canal. So root canals are also done.
How many?
11 root canals.
No, 14 root canals.
14 root canals were done. So it was very payable.
Yeah.
It's really paid back me. So I'm really happy. After 2 years of visiting back to Dr. Revati, and looks X-ray is fantastic, and I'm just doing the follow-up and cleaning. So I really thank.
So are you able to chew? Are you able to chew like?
I am able to chew like normal, very normal, and I can eat. I can even chew the bone. I can chew the nuts, and I can chew very normally.
How is the food habits there in US? What do you eat at?
Why we eat chicken? We eat also meat. We eat also roti and chapati and everything. So
You're comfortable.
I'm very comfortable actually.
Comfortable.
So that was really a good job she has done. So I'm really very happy and comfortable.
Okay.
I want to thank her very much, and I also recommend her if somebody wants to go for treatment, so she should refer. I highly recommend her for the treatment.
So it's worth traveling US.
Oh
and
yeah,
coming here.
it's really great coming back here again because it's worth. It's really worth.
It's worth paying the tickets,
Yes.
and paying the room rents, and
Yes,
then getting the treatment, then getting the treatment.
It's all I'll pay back because still it's cheaper than
US
America.
dollars.
So really, but the bottom line is the treatment done accordingly. That I'm really happy about it. Not the money, but the treatment. So I'm really happy. I highly recommend somebody to take care of this.
I'm very thankful, sir. I'm very happy that you trust us
Yes.
and you recommend us.
Yes. Really, we're really.
Are you happy with the consultants?
Yeah, all the consultants she lined up for me is really fantastic. Actually, thank you for that.
The root canal specialist,
Yes.
the gum specialist,
Yes.
and the prosthodontists who gave the bridge.
Yes.
I hope everyone will happy.
Everyone really did a good job.
Okay.
They did 100% good job, basically.